I think if you're talking about height safety solutions, first you got to figure out if there's a need for people to go on the roof for a start. If there's a need for people to go on the roof and you can't eliminate that need, then you've got to come up with a permanent solution for them. And then we look at what they want to do on their roof and how they do that safely. Engaging with consultants early helps you work through the different options and helps unlock sort of things that you might not have thought about in terms of how to access a building, or where you need to access a building, or structure needed to support that system to access the building. And engaging with height safety specialists and cleaning contractors as well, to make sure that they're designing something that suits everybody. It's pretty important early on, and the main reason to do it early on is so we don't get any clashes later on. We don't need to redesign any structure to take the loading. We know that early on when we design the building, or when you design the building, and we tell you what's required. You don't need to redo parapets when we tell you that there needs to be ropes going over them and they need to withstand a certain loading. We make sure that all those things are thought of up front, so we're not redesigning things later on. Health and safety by design states or directs you to try and eliminate as many risks as you can. Taking HVAC units off roofs, putting them at a lower level, so that eliminates the need for anyone to go onto a roof. Creating parapets that are high enough to become a barrier, and so there's no risk of falling. If some of these things can't be done, then we're going to try and minimise the risk to the people by providing height safety solutions, fall risk solutions, or if there's abseil to be done on the building, we've got to provide an abseil solution. We've also got to make sure that anyone going up to the roof to abseil off the side is also free from risk of falling. You know, there needs to be an approach to look at them while they're on the roof rigging ropes, that they're safe doing that as well. I think the main thing is getting the right people in at the right time. If we get a height safety consultant in early enough, we can make sure that the appropriate products are used on the roof that suit the roof profile and the structure. We can make sure that it's laid out properly, so it'll do exactly what it needs to do. And we make sure that all that information is packaged up in one neat little package. Roof plans and master spec for one, so the contractor knows what to price.